It's when she go off in her emotions and she get ahead of herself, we have to reel her in back. And I know that Mr. Mullins say.
As long as him not pray to get rid of her, you know. But you know, say, I think it's safer for to stay home more for the meantime.
Not the Mr. Mullins will mean no. Him not gonna get rid of no agent. Him prefer try reform them. So you don't have to worry about that part. As it relates to she being home, she's been home. That is why I want to talk to Mr. Mullins. You know, put her back on the Spanish Town case because she got the home alone most of the time and she got bored.
Well, that's true. Even though she have a little company sometime, cause Vanessa go look for her same way.
I don't know if I like the idea of Tony and getting so close to this girl. I'm not comfortable with it, Whisper. Remember, say she was a mark, you know. I don't know Tony and you know Tony and not. Suppose it slipped.
Well, I guess it's because she needs somebody for her age group for that.
I understand fully now, Whisper. I know she need friends. But that means developing a conversation with this young girl who is a therapist. And she know how to pick sense out of nonsense.
We just hope she is smarter than that. I know what to say and what not to say.
Whisper, listen to me. The camera situation must be dealt with ASAP. It is top priority. We're talking about your safety. So more you keep your eyes them open. You go keep German posted. Tell him to check it.
Alright.
I'm gonna run going at the meeting. Go and enjoy yourself on the property. Me update you when I come back.
Hold on. Place fully secure?
You're up on a hotel property. Relax. Go into the bar and have a drink. You're safe.
So you still feel the pain?
John, yeah.
And because it's still winter time up there, you're supposed to feel lone pain, brother. Yeah, man, me there, man. I don't know, center here, you know. Yeah, me I deal with some business. But I don't like how that thing a sound, brother. I don't like how it sound. Because It's like the older you get now is the more you feel pain and them can't even take out the bullet. Yeah man. See the boy man, the one that them call Bugsy man. Him good you know. Good. I run Airbnb and have him woman and everything nice for him, but give him a page, you know. I'm gonna tell him say I want out of two things. Is either him run $1 million or him shoot out the boy where they did the shooting. It don't look like him gonna show him out. No, him let me tell you the truth. Bro, only because a Kyng man why I not get page already. A Kyng man make me not deal with it. Believe me when I tell you.
Hello? Wagwan Kyng man. A long time me not hear from you, you know.
Yeah man. Kyng man kinda tucky in now still, so I don't know, maybe I can make a little move. Yeah man. Somebody have to take responsibility for this. Me not feel good for no say I feel I live them way and alone pain and now walk properly and when winter time come round.
Alright, give me a second. May I come out of space and then. So Kyng man, how business?
Yeah, man, I want to tell you no matter how doing stuff. That's everybody. You know, as a matter of fact, I want to tell you that I'm talking about it now. Yeah, I'm going to go like a